Okay, wow guys, AMC short squeeze update. Okay guys, so in after hours right now we are up over $15. So I mentioned in my previous video how AMC kept tapping up against that resistance. It looks like we have finally broken out past that resistance point and are soaring in after hours, guys. So I'm going to update you guys on what exactly took place, why a lot of institutions, including Citadel, have been buying AMC stock like crazy, guys. So before we get into the video, be sure to grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull, guys. You get 2 free stocks by signing up, deposit $100. Go to investortrip.com/Webull and be sure to grab your cryptocurrency, guys. Cryptocurrency is a wonderful hedge against inflation. Be sure to head to investortrip.com/Coinbase to get that as well. So let's head right back into the video, guys. So like I said, amazing news. So I mentioned that I sold half of my position. I'm basically riding with the house's money now, and now we finally broke out in after hours. I'm going to show you guys why there was some really heavy institutional buying happening on Monday. So if we take a look here now, you can go to this website. It's 100% free. It's called fintel.io. It has all the institutional ownership for most stocks. So as you can see here, we're taking a look here. Let's look at some of the 13 Fs that were recently filed. So companies, when they make when they have major purchases, they have to file these forms with the SEC. So we can see here there was a ton of buying activity. Voltridge Investment Corp, Autom Investors, Nuveen Asset Management, right? HBK Investments, HRT Financial, Susquehanna, AQR Management, Marathon Trading Investment, Global Wealth Management. All of these companies ended up adding to their position. So usually if it's green, they added, and if it's red, they were dumping. So as you can see here, there was a ton of these hedge funds and institutional investors that have been adding AMC just on Monday alone. State of Wisconsin Investment Board, guys. Susquehanna, Citadel, even Citadel went bullish. So Citadel was obviously involved in the whole Robinhood scandal, and now they're bullish on AMC. State Street Corp added to its position. Basically, this is amazing bullish news, guys. So it looks like they waited right until after hours to add to this position. So this is incredible news, guys. Kind of in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have sold that at 50, but I don't know. I just wanted to take some profits off of the table. After what happened in February, how we had that huge run up, I just wanted to kind of play with the house's money. So like I mentioned, this week was going to be a huge week. And for you guys that saw that previous video, we saw that we already eclipsed $15. So it looks like the road to $20 is inevitable, guys. And I really think that AMC is one of the best reopening stocks that you can really put your money on. So even though it ran really hot in after hours, I think there's a lot of momentum left. I wouldn't think about probably getting out of this position. At first I was having a price target of $20, but perhaps that is a bit too conservative. If we take a look and we kind of step back here to a more longer term chart, we can see that the next resistance level is at about $20. So if AMC stocks hits about $20, I'll kind of look at my trade, reassess what I'm going to do. But right now, the one of the reasons why I think that AMC could hit $20 as early as June 1st is simply because this is just when these big institutional investors are piling into stocks like that, they know something has changed in the sentiment, and usually these guys, when they're bullish for a reason. So there's lots of other cheap undervalued stocks out there. I think there's lots of dividend stocks you can buy. There's lots of big tech stocks like Tesla that are sold off, and the fact that this much money is moving into AMC is incredibly, and we could be prepared for another epic short squeeze. It won't be as big as it was earlier in the year because there just nearly aren't that many shares short, and as you can see here, the volume has gone down on AMC substantially. So at one point earlier this year, we were dealing with almost a billion shares volume in January 27th, guys. Absolutely crazy. Now the volume is nothing compared to, it's only like 158 million, 100 something like that. So I don't think we'll see the same run up that we saw in the past, but I am extremely bullish on AMC stock. I think it's a wonderful long-term hold. For you guys that have been holding ever since $2, congratulations. If you guys bought up here at the top at 20, I would say continue to hold. All of the indicators point towards an aggressive breakout probably on Tuesday as well. A lot of these reopening stocks are just completely beaten down for no reason because the summer is going to be huge. for theaters, I think, guys. So like I said, AMC looking great, running strong. I'm going to provide you guys with another update video soon. So like I said, if you guys want to see more updates on AMC right now, you know, we're kind of covering stocks that are moving. I usually do videos on EVs and things like that, but the EV market right now is just a buy. There's really no movement there. These stocks are basically trading flat. So I'm looking for quick movements. Now, with I still hold a few shares of AMC. Like I said, now I'm willing to hold this stock for, you know, maybe even another year. You know, I've already got my initial investment back. So that's one of the reasons I did that, just so I could just remove all emotional ties to the stock. I'm really not looking to take any profits anytime soon. I'd like to see where this thing heads. So if you guys enjoy my content and you want to receive more videos on AMC as this kind of squeeze plays out and we see exactly where we're headed, be sure to smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button to receive more update videos from me, guys. Okay, that's until next time. Take care.